The universe is a masterpiece of precision. From the vastness of galaxies to the subatomic particles that dance within atoms, everything operates within an intricate set of rules. But here's the astonishing part. Those rules seem perfectly calibrated to allow for life to exist. If the force of gravity were slightly stronger or weaker, if the charge of an electron varied by even a fraction, or if the cosmological constant were off by the tiniest amount, life as we know it would be impossible. This raises a profound question. Why is the universe fine-tuned for life? Enter the Anthropic Principle, a concept that's as much about science as it is about philosophy. It's the idea that the universe's conditions are not random, but are precisely what they need to be for us to exist and observe it. Let's dive deep into this idea, its scientific roots, its philosophical implications, and what it means for our understanding of reality. Part 1. What is the Anthropic Principle? The Anthropic Principle was formally introduced in the 1970s by physicist Brandon Carter. It's a framework to explain the fine-tuning of the universe, and it comes in two primary forms. 1. The Weak Anthropic Principle, WAP. This states that the universe appears fine-tuned because if it weren't, we wouldn't be here to notice. It's a tautology, a self-evident truth. We exist in a universe capable of supporting life because only such a universe could produce observers like us. 2. The Strong Anthropic Principle, SAP. This is the more controversial version. It suggests that the universe must have properties that allow life to develop at some point, as if life, or consciousness, plays a fundamental role in shaping reality. These ideas, while seemingly straightforward, open up a Pandora's box of scientific, philosophical, and existential questions. Part 2, Fine-tuning, coincidence or design? The fine-tuning of the universe refers to the precise values of fundamental constants and laws. Let's consider a few examples. The gravitational constant. If gravity were even slightly stronger, stars would collapse into black holes. If weaker, stars wouldn't form at all. The electromagnetic force. If it were marginally different, atoms couldn't bond and chemistry, let alone biology, wouldn't exist. The cosmological constant. This governs the expansion of the universe. A tiny variation would have caused the universe to either collapse on itself or expand too quickly for galaxies to form. Astrophysicist Martin Rees, in his book Just 6 Numbers, highlighted 6 fundamental constants that must fall within extremely narrow ranges for life to exist. The odds of these constants aligning perfectly are mind-bogglingly small, leading many to question whether this precision is purely coincidental. Part 3, Multiverse Theory, the many universes solution. One explanation for fine-tuning is the multiverse theory. This idea suggests that our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. In most universes, conditions would be hostile to life, but in a multiverse with infinite possibilities, at least one universe, ours, would naturally have the right conditions. This theory is supported by certain interpretations of quantum mechanics and string theory, which propose the existence of multiple dimensions and parallel realities. Scientists like Stephen Hawking and Brian Greene have explored these ideas, suggesting that the multiverse could be a natural outcome of inflationary cosmology. While the multiverse offers a compelling solution, it's untestable, at least for now, making it a topic of scientific speculation rather than empirical evidence. Part 4. Philosophical implications. Design versus randomness. The Anthropic Principle doesn't just challenge physics, it ventures into philosophy. If the universe is fine-tuned, does that imply a designer? This question has sparked debates for centuries. Some interpret fine-tuning as evidence of a divine creator or intelligent design. The universe's precision, they argue, is too extraordinary to be a result of chance. Others, like proponents of the weak anthropic principle, argue that invoking a designer isn't necessary. The universe simply is, and we're here because it happens to have the right conditions. Philosopher Nick Bostrom has even linked the anthropic principle to his simulation hypothesis, suggesting that our universe might be a simulated reality designed to produce conscious observers. If that's true, fine-tuning could be a feature of the simulation. Part 5, the observer effect. Does consciousness matter? The strong anthropic principle suggests that observers, like us, might play a role in shaping the universe. This idea echoes the observer effect in quantum mechanics, where the act of observation influences the outcome of an experiment. Physicist John Wheeler proposed a radical idea called the participatory anthropic principle, which suggests that the universe requires conscious observers to bring it into existence. In his words, we are participators in bringing about something of the universe in the distant past. While these ideas may sound like science fiction, they highlight how interconnected our existence might be with the fabric of reality itself. Part 6. What does the anthropic principle mean for us? The anthropic principle isn't just a thought experiment. It has profound implications for how we see ourselves and our place in the universe. It reminds us how fragile and rare life is. It challenges us to explore whether the universe's conditions are inevitable or a miraculous stroke of luck. And it forces us to confront the ultimate question: why does the universe exist at all? As Carl Sagan once said, we are a way for the cosmos to know itself. The anthropic principle invites us to continue that journey, seeking answers to the greatest mysteries of existence. Conclusion: the mystery endures. Whether the universe's fine-tuning is a coincidence, the result of a multiverse, or something more profound, one thing is certain: the anthropic principle challenges us to think beyond ourselves. It's a reminder that our existence is both ordinary and extraordinary, a cosmic accident or a fundamental necessity, depending on how you see it. Thank you for watching Unriddle. If you found this fascinating, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.